Good morning. So we're back on a new Go High Level training. And today we're going to talk about how to integrate your meta ads reporting into Go High Level, plus some extra features as well. So to start with, um, you're going to have to log in into your sub account of your choosing for your client. Um, on this instance, we're going to be using the Natural Slim Panama. This is a new sub account, currently has nothing on it. So this was just created a few days ago. And the first request that the client has made is to integrate their ads manager so that they can easily view the reporting without jumping through different platforms. So to go about doing that, you have two options. First option is under settings and integrations, but the best and fastest option is going to be under reporting. So click reporting, and you're going to see here a few choices above. First would be the Google Ads report. As the name suggests, it showcases the data first reporting for your Google Ads account. Currently, if you're seeing these numbers, you will also see this on your sub account if you haven't integrated it yet. This is a sample data. Pretty much is a way for a Go High Level to show you what it would look like once the integration has been completed. The same with the Facebook ads report. Currently has a sample data. Um, Same thing with all the campaigns. These are just fake campaigns. Now you have four options here. So the last option is the appointment report. This is actually the reporting feature for all your calendars. Let's say, for example, you have a landing page that invites people to book an appointment. All appointments are going to be recorded in here. Agent report pretty much tells it itself. It goes over the stuff that you have, how many calls they receive, how many type of communications they sent out from conversations, email, SMS, opportunities that they handled, that type of reporting. Let's say if you have a sales team, that's a good area for you to keep track of how they are currently doing. Now you also have your call report. This specifically just goes over the call data. This works perfectly if you have lead connector. Um, for your calls and SMS. If you are currently using Twilio, then you're gonna have to go to Twilio for the reporting. Since the connection is not that accurate, you're gonna have false data being shown in here. So I would suggest go with Go High Level, SMS, and call features as that has a full integration and reporting. You also have your attribution in here. Pretty much has the data on how your leads are doing, if they're currently being closed, those kind of things. So let's go back to the Facebook ads report. Now, since this is a sample data, you should click here on the highlighted icon that says click here to start with the integration. And as mentioned earlier, the second option to go about this route is by going to settings and then again integrations. You're going to land on the same place. This section under integrations is where you connect your social media accounts, your Shopify store, and any other apps that is currently available that you wanted to integrate. So in this example, we're just going to connect Facebook. So go ahead and click on the button that says connect. And it's going to ask you for permissions. I did previously allow it. So step two is it will ask you to select the Facebook page that you wanted to integrate. Basically, this allows Go High Level then to populate the ads data afterward. So click here in the drop down. Now, if you don't have, or if you are seeing slightly different screen compared to what I have, that just means you don't have that much Facebook pages that you have access with. So I do have quite a few of them on this profile. And on this instance, we're just going to select Natural Slim Panama and go ahead and click on Connect Page. Now, it does take a few minutes or sometimes just a couple seconds to fully integrate, but what I do is just refresh the page afterwards just to make sure that I do see the most accurate data. So, as you've seen here, page is currently connected. I can also sync the leads. So let's say, for example, you're currently running in Meta lead generation. You can just sync the leads in here, and they will automatically be created inside Go High Level. You will receive this notification that says syncing leads initiated successfully. So that means it will start adding the leads that you generated in the account and to Go High Level. If you scroll up a little bit, it's also going to ask you to select an ad account. So let's go ahead and select one, which is Natural Slim Panama, and that's it. You now have your social media page, ad account connected. So let's go ahead and confirm. Go back to the dashboard, go into the reporting screen, and go into the Facebook ads report. If you have campaigns currently running, you will see them here. So if this case from month to date, this is what the account has spent, 823, 200,000 impressions, 465 or 4,600 clicks, 648 conversions. These are the current campaigns. Cost per conversion is $1.27. Now, if you notice here, let's go back a little bit onto the connections earlier in the settings. I forgot something to talk to you. So if you are currently running in Facebook lead generation, you can go into the Facebook form field mapping, and you can actually start mapping the fields. That way, anytime you generate leads, it will populate onto the correct custom field. Now, on other platforms, these are called custom fields, or let's say in ManyChat, these are user fields. This is another example of a field that you want to create. So let's say, for example, if you're currently running lead generation and has custom questions, these are standard questions or standard fields, meaning they always are available inside the form. This, however, is a custom one, meaning you manually created it for the sake of collecting data from your leads or from your audience. So if that's the case, you can select field here that you have before. If not, then you're gonna have to create a field or a custom field inside Go High Level and select that from here afterwards. If you don't know where or how to create the custom field, please refer to my previous trainings as I did go over on how to do that. So let's proceed on the other features again. So just to recap, we have the Facebook ads reporting already created or synced. All new contacts that are going to be coming in is going to be added here on the contact section. If you notice, one new contact has been added, which was a few minutes ago. If you are or if you want to use the built-in social social planner of Go High Level, you can go to the marketing section, and in here you can integrate your Facebook page, Instagram, Google My Business, or other social media accounts that you have. And it does have a lot of options for you. Pretty much, they do offer similar, if not better, to other platforms. For example, if you're using G Suite, you no longer need to have a G Suite account. You just need to use Go High Level as it has the same functionality as well. Go High Level also offers email campaigns. So, for example, if you're using Klaviyo and if you're selling in Shopify, good news for you is Go High Level actually offers up Shopify integration. And with the Shopify integration, if you want to send out SMS and email confirmation, reminders, follow-ups, upsells, and cross-sells, you can easily do so with Go High Level as it has the same functionality, if not better, compared to Klaviyo. Now, that's the most common things that you would normally see here. There are quite a few more features, which I did go over on some of my training videos. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask on the comment section. I'll be happy to answer you afterwards, or just reach out to me as well. I'll be happy to help you with your account. So that's mainly it for today's training video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.